Hello guys, now you're watching my channel The Nature Soul, and this is Aman Express, and today are we talking about top 7 trees that benefit for fighting against disease. So let's talk about them. First, bell tree. This is also called wood apple tree. This is used in medicine uses therapeutic benefit of for skin and diabetes and supplements. Some components are vitamin C, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, calcium, potassium, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, laxative properties. Its fruits have a lot of nutrients which contains the vitamin C, vitamin B1, vitamin B2 and good amount of minerals like calcium, potassium, fiber and good fats. It is used like a medicine and used by Ayurveda from thousands of years. Its fruits are like in ball shape and its seeds inside it while a raw fruit look like green and while the woody exterior turn yellow. There are many benefits of bell tree. They are helping for diabetes patients, for benefits of skins, etc. etc. Number second, bubble tree. Bubble tree are mainly used for teeth and gums. The mixture of its bark and its flower are make powder which are used for stronger gums and stronger teeth. Its contain components like antibacterial, antihistaminic, anti-inflammatory, gluten, leucolandin, camphor B glucoside, due to which its are used like a medicine. Its flower has also good source of flavonoids. Its leaves, seeds, gum are pod of bubble tree possess potent medicinal properties. It is only used for our teeth and gums. Number third, neem tree. A neem tree have a lot of uses, benefits. It's used in eye disorder, bloody nose, essential worms, stomach upset, skin disease, pain, fever. The bark, leaf, and seeds are used to make medicine. There are many uses of this tree and a lot of diseases which are precautions of this tree. The leaf is used for leprosy, eye odor, bloody nose, essential worm, stomach, and a lot of. Its bark are used for malaria, stomach, insane ulcer, skin diseases, pain, and fever. The flower is used for reducing bile, controlling phlegm, and treating essential worms. Fruits of this used for hemorrhoids, essential worm, etc. This tree nearly used in every medicines. It is also added in Ayurveda, and also it's also scientific evidence to support their uses. Number 4, Arjuna. Arjuna is also called terminal. Its benefits: it is used for heart ailments, heart failure patients, chest pain, for diabetes patient, for high cholesterol patients. Arjuna. Arjuna is a tree used as a medicine, especially as a part of Ayurvedic medicine. It have many species like Terminalia arjuna, Terminalia berylia, and Terminalia chebula. Arjuna mainly used for heart ailments including heart failure and chest pain. It's also used for diabetes patient, but there is no good scientific evidence to support this usage. Number 5, Asoka. Asoka is a evergreen tree. It is very beneficial and useful for us. Asoka, a medium-sized green tree up to 9 meters in height with numerous spreading and dropping glabrous branches. The axonalic and water extract of bark are effective against Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosus, Prolix vulgaris, and Cabalissia pneumonia. Its seeds, bark, and flower are mainly used in menorrhagic, accelerated diabetes, and as a urine stimulant, etc. Asoka, also known have property like urine stimulate anticellular, antidepressant, antibacterial, antioxidant, and levoviral activity. Number 6, amla. Amla is also known as gooseberry. It is amla, a middle-sized deciduous tree. Indian gooseberry has been given a prominent place in Ayurveda. Amla improve immunity, hair care, reduce stress, eye care, respiratory, digestion, absorb calcium, treat anemia, blood purification, improve digestion, antioxidant, improve mental function, weight management, skin care, etc. Amla fruit are used in medicine by eating them. There are Amla is coming from the Ayurveda from thousands of the years. It is very useful and beneficial, and some places in India it is grown as a crop. Number 7, Chandan. Chandan is known as sandalwood. It's very beneficial and useful. It is used in headache, stomach, urinary, genital disorder, smooth skin. It's grown up 8 to 12 meter in height. Its oil has a warm, woody odor and it is commonly used as a fragrance in incense, cosmetic perfume, soap, etc. Its mainly purpose for it's used in perfume, soaps, etc., and also used in for manufacturing of woods and made by wood substances. Its oil has been used as antiseptic and astringent and for the treatment of headaches, stomach and urinary gently disordering. Amla oil has also used for smoothing the skin. It has been reported to have diuretic and urinary antiseptic properties, but chemical trial data are lacking. Its oil were available at the market and it is very useful for and it is used for smooth skinning, etc. So guys, when you like the video, please subscribe my channel The Nature Soul and comment, and thanks for watching video.